Alam mo ba kung paano haharapin ang mga pagsubok? Para sa mabuang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed by life's chaos? Jesus' words in Luke 21 are a practical survival guide. He tells us not to be fooled by temporary appearances like social media and to keep our cool in a crisis. He prepares us for the reality of betrayal, reminding us that it's not the end. Most importantly, he promises to give us the wisdom to handle tough moments and reminds us that our endurance is our superpower. This is a call to action to not give up because pushing through hardships leads to a lasting victory. The promise offers us a profound sense of hope, assuring us that we are equipped to face any storm. Our persistence through difficulty is a testament to our faith and will ultimately lead to a triumph that is beyond this world. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, bigyan mo kami ng karunungan at pagtitiis upang malampasan ang mga hamon sa buhay, nang may pagtitiwala sa iyong pangako ng ganap na tagumpay. Amen.